This tutorial is mainly for Linux users, and the shell commands typed in here are in bash script. To start things off, we will clone the NCL client source code into our local machines. Click on Code and copy the HTTPS link. Then, open your terminal and type git clone followed by the link you copied. Once you have cloned the source code, navigate to the client directory and tag ls to see all the files you have in your directory. If you notice, there is currently no image to execute the code. So, in the same client directory, type the following command: python 3.9 -m venv. Now, if you type ls again, it will show venv as an image. To activate the virtual environment, type in the following command: source venv bin activate. Next, install the required dependencies by typing the following command: Phew! All the installations are done. Now we are moving on to using our installed client. To run the client, type in the following command: you will see the NCL Client dialog box open. Enter your username and click on Choose XML File. Navigate to Client and select the file named Client Log for Shell POC OpenStack XML. For local platform, select based on your own device. So choose Win if you're using Windows, Linux if you're a Linux user, and Mac OS if you're an Apple user. For connection method, select Console. Then, select Confirm. The ARP demo instance will be visible. Expand it and select Log for Shell. Did you encounter a permission error? This is because you must change the permission of the private key file. Follow the instructions in your terminal and execute the line mentioned in the terminal to change the permission. After executing this statement, run python client.py again. Put in the credentials as before and click on Confirm. Now, click on the Log for Shell image. A dialog box will open asking you to enter your password. Enter log for shell as your password.